Hi everyone, this fabric here is called Lucina fabric. So it comes in 6 yards and I got it for 20,000 naira Nigerian money. Yeah, so guys, I'll be working with this fabric and with Italian leather to make this lovely, dashing, beautiful and sexy bag. So guys, please make sure you watch this tutorial from the beginning till the end, and this tutorial comes in part 1, 2 and 3. Guys, I'm going to drop the link under the description of this video, so please kindly go and click on the link to watch the part 1. It has the full details of the measurement. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Thank you and God bless you. This is the pattern I'll be working with, so I'm just gonna sketch this on my fiber board, and after that I'm just gonna use my foam and also wrap it with my fabric. Guys, I'm through wrapping this I'm through wrapping the outer parts, and now I'm just going to work on the inner part of my bag by using fiber foam and by wrapping it with my fabric. Guys, please, like I said, watch this tutorial to the end for better understanding. You can see how I'm going to sketch out the inner part, how I'm going to be doing it. So please guys, watch it carefully and understand it. Guys, this is the flap. The measurement is there, 7.5 by 5 inches. 7.5 is the length, while the width is 5 inches. So yeah, I don't know the name of, I don't really know the name of the shape of the flap, but I really love this flap. I'm in love with the flap shape, right? So basically guys, this bag, I'm actually doing it for myself. So I just want to share this idea, this knowledge with you guys. Please guys, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions under the comment section. For the flap, I folded a part with fiber, and the other one I just folded without anything. There's no leather ball inside, just the leather itself. So basically guys, watch this and get it right. Guys, I'm working with Italian leather, pure leather, original leather. Guys, this is um my D-ring holder, so I just you know bring out a lovely shape for it, and I'm just gonna wrap it with my fabric. Guys, this is the gusset aspect. Please, I'm going to drop the link of this gusset under the description of this video, so you can go and watch the step-by-step tutorial on this particular gusset. It is well detailed. You get to know everything. So still working on the D-ring aspect, so you guys will see how beautiful the shape is and how beautiful actually folding everything together. I'm through gumming the flap together, so I'm just gonna stitch everything together, and after stitching then I'm going to be working on the lock aspect. Guys, this is my D-ring holder. My D-ring, it's ready, and I'm just going to stitch it to my corsets. Guys, for the inner interior, I'll be making use of leather, pure leather. I'll be making use of original leather. So for the interior, for the outer of the bag, everything I'm making use of is original. It's genuine leather. Guys, this is the bottom aspect. So the width is 6.2 inches, while the length is 4 inches. I'll be dropping the link of this lock under the description of this video. So if you want to know how I was able to do this lock, how I was able to fix it, please go and click on the link under the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely tutorial. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you. I love you all, and God bless you.